ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வணக்கம். நாம் இப்போ இந்த வீடியோவில் 1 to 5 ஒர்க் ஷீட்ஸ் பார்த்துடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒர்க் ஷீட் 1, மெஷர்மெண்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், த SI யூனிட் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட் இஸ் ஆம்பையர், capital A. Second, Raju constructed an electrical circuit. He wants to measure the current flowing through circuit. Which device he will use? What are the options given? Voltmeter, galvanometer, thermometer and ammeter. And the current flowing through the circuit can be measured with the help of ammeter. Third, Meena took some ice cubes from the refrigerator and kept outside in a vessel. After few minutes, ice cubes started to melt. What does she infer? Options: increase in temperature caused melting of ice cubes, decrease in temperature caused melting of ice cubes, pressure variation caused melting of ice cubes, humidity in air caused melting of ice cubes. And here the correct option is increase in temperature caused melting of ice cubes. Fourth one, identify the unit which is not the unit of temperature. Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, Kelvin, these are all units of temperature, whereas A, ampere, is the unit of electric current. Ampere A, Kelvin K, meter for the small lamp should be used, candela CD, so odd pair is meter, capital M. Sixth, Arun was doing an experiment in the lab. He wants to measure the temperature of different liquids. Help him to select the correct device to measure the temperature. Ammeter, lactometer, anemometer, thermometer. Here the correct option is thermometer. Clock that makes use of periodic vibrations of atom is analog clock, atomic clock, quartz clock, digital clock. And here the correct option is atomic clock. Eighth, the clock used in GPS and GLONASS is analog clock, quartz clock, digital clock, atomic clock. Here the correct option is atomic clock. Here GPS is nothing but global positioning system, and GLONASS, GLONASS, Global Navigation Satellite System. 1. Match the basic quantities with their units: length meter, time second, electric current ampere, temperature Kelvin. And here the correct option is B. Match the devices with their usage. Photometer is used to measure the intensity of light, and then ammeter is used to measure the flow of electric current. Thermometer is used to measure the hotness or coldness of an object. Clock measure the time interval. So here the correct option is D. 11. State whether true or false. Digital clocks display time in numerals. It is true. Worksheet 2, force and pressure. What is the SI unit of atmospheric pressure? Pascal. Second, who invented barometer? Newton, Pascal, Torricelli, Archimedes. Torricelli invented barometer. What is one atmospheric pressure in SI system? 1 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Filling the blanks. Fourth, dash decides whether an object will float. Buoyancy. Correct answer is buoyancy. BUOYANCY. Buoyancy or upward force. Fifth one, pressure exerted by a force depends on the magnitude of the force and dash, isn't it? Here the correct answer is area of contact. Answer briefly. Which concept is represented in the picture given below? This picture represents Pascal's law. Pascal's law. Pascal's law படி என்ன அப்படின்னா, when the pressure is applied at any point of a liquid at rest in a closed system, the water, that means the liquid will be distributed, இங்கே பாருங்கள், the liquid will be distributed equally through all the directions. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து எல்லா டைரக்ஷன்ஸ்லேயுமே பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா ஈக்குவலாக என்னாகுது, லிக்விட் வந்து டிரான்ஸ்மிட் ஆகுது. 7th, whenever your father travels, he prefers bags with wheels. Do you know the reason for it? Here the correct reason is rolling friction. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction. 8th one, axe, hammer, driller are available. Which will you choose to cut wood? Give reason. Axe. Why means axe having short fine edges exert larger pressure on the smaller area of the body in order to produce maximum effect. 9th one, Madhavan used the air-filled rubber tube to move from one side of the pond to another end of the pond. What is the principle held here? Buoyant force or upward force. மிதவை தத்துவம் பயன்படுகிறது. 10th one, at Malini's home in Madurai, it takes 2 minutes to cook noodles. It takes 5 minutes to cook noodles in her friend's Nalini's home at Kodaikanal. Why? Because atmospheric pressure decreases with increase in altitude. அதாவது நம்ம இப்போது கீழே கோயம்புத்தூரில் இருக்கோன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். அப்போ கோயம்புத்தூர்லேருந்து நம்ம இப்போ ஊட்டி போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா ஆல்டிடியூட் என்ன ஆகுது, இன்க்ரீஸ். அதாவது ஹைட் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிறதுனால மேலே போக போக அட்மாஸ்பியரிக் ப்ரெஷர், அதாவது வளிமண்டல அழுத்தம் என்னாகும்னா குறையும்.
The same thing happens in Kodaikanal also because it is at higher altitude, so it takes extra time to cook food.
7th one, Ramu is trying to move a heavy stone across the ground. His father gave him cylindrical rods to help him move to it. Give reason. Here also the rolling friction is less than sliding friction because the area of contact is less in the case of rolling. Worksheet 3, light. First one, a concave mirror forms a virtual image when the object is inside the focus. A convex mirror produces a virtual image when the object is anywhere in front of mirror. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the bending of light rays when light enters from one transparent medium into another. Here the correct answer is refraction, or refraction, refraction. Next, state whether the statement is true or false. Fiber optic periscope is used for transparent purpose. It is true. A candle is 30 cm height. The height of its image in a plane mirror is also 30 cm. So this is also true. Worksheet 4, heat. First one, which of the following process involves convection? What are the options given? Bread toasting under a grill, energy from sun warming a road surface, hot air rises up and cold air comes down, thermal energy transferred through a copper bar. And here the correct option is hot air rises up and cold air comes down. Second, the transformation of solid to gas is dash. Sublimation, condensation, vaporization, deposition, and here the correct option is sublimation. Third one, formation of land breeze and sea breeze is due to convection. Heat energy from sun reaches the earth by radiation. The unit of energy in SI system is joule. heat is transferred from one end of the solid to another by conduction. 7th one, state whether the statement is true or false. When a substance receives more energy, the temperature of the substance decreases. This one is false statement, because when a substance receives more energy, the temperature of the substance increases. 8th, conversion from gaseous state to liquid state is called condensation. So this statement is true. 9th one, convection takes place in solids and liquids. This statement is false, because convection takes place in solids and in gases. By conduction, heat is transferred through liquids. This statement is also false, because by conduction, heat is transferred through solids. Worksheet 5, electricity. First one, two charged objects are brought close to each other. Choose the correct statement. They may attract, they may repel. There will be no effect. They may either attract or repel depending on the type of the charge they may carry. And here the correct option is they may either attract or repel depending on the type of the charge they may carry. Next, a fuse wire should have low melting point. Third one, 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb is the elementary electric charge possessed by an electron. Filling the blanks. An atom consists of electron, proton and neutron. The path of the negatively charged particles in an atom are called orbit. In an atom, the electron and proton are equal in number.
State whether the statement is true or false. 7th, electrons flow from lower potential to higher potential. Here the statement is true.
8. Why tungsten is used in electric bulb? Due to high melting point, tungsten is used in electric bulbs. 9th one, what happens when glass rod and silk cloth are rubbed with each other? When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, the free electrons in the glass rod are transferred to silk cloth. 10th one, name two materials to conduct electricity, gold and copper. 11th, Ravi rubbed a plastic scale to his hair and then took the scale close to the bits of paper. What happens? When Ravi rubbed plastic scale on his head, the plastic scale gets negatively charged and attracts positively charged paper bits. 12th one, label the parts of an atom on the following diagram and answer the questions related to the diagram. By looking at this picture, label the parts of an atom. What type of charge does a proton have? Proton have positive charge. What type of charge does an electron have? Electron have negative charge. What is the charge of an atom? Electrically neutral. Which two subatomic particles that are located in the nucleus of an atom? Protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus of an atom.